The internet feels private, but very little of what you do online is truly invisible. Every action you take sends signals that other systems can observe, even if the content itself is encrypted. Encryption protects what you send, but it does not hide that communication is happening.
Patterns like timing, frequency, and packet size can still reveal meaningful information.
Your internet provider can see where traffic goes, how often, and how long connections last. This information is called metadata, and it often matters more than the content itself. Websites, platforms, and networks all collect different pieces of this same picture. When combined, these signals can reveal habits, preferences, and routines. HTTPS hides what is inside the message, but not who is talking to whom.
This is why online privacy is about reducing visibility, not eliminating it.
A VPN adds an extra layer by hiding your traffic from local networks and internet providers.
But once traffic leaves the VPN server, it becomes visible again to the wider internet.
A VPN changes who can see your activity, but it does not make you invisible. Websites still see requests coming from a real address, just one shared by many users. Cookies work differently, storing small pieces of data directly inside your browser.
Each time you return, your browser sends those cookies back automatically.
This allows websites to remember logins, preferences, and ongoing sessions.
Third-party cookies extend this by observing behavior across many different websites.
Even without cookies, devices can often be recognized through behavioral and technical fingerprints. Screen size, fonts, timing, and behavior can combine into a surprisingly unique signature. Many pages include tracking scripts that activate as soon as the page loads. These scripts send usage data to separate systems designed specifically for analysis.
Over time, this data is aggregated to reveal patterns rather than individual actions. These patterns help systems predict interests, behavior, and future actions.
Advertising systems use these predictions to decide what content you are most likely to see.
Tracking influences recommendations, rankings, and even interface layout. Logging into accounts dramatically increases how much activity can be connected together. Activity across phones, tablets, and computers can often be linked to the same profile. Tools like VPNs reduce exposure, but they do not eliminate tracking entirely.
Online privacy is about reducing risk, not achieving perfect secrecy. Convenience and privacy constantly trade off against each other.
Modern systems are optimized for speed and scale, not anonymity.
Laws and policies shape how data can be collected, but they do not remove the underlying signals.
User behavior still plays a major role in how visible activity becomes.
Privacy improves when multiple tools and habits are combined thoughtfully. Complete anonymity is extremely difficult to achieve on a connected network. Privacy is an ongoing process, not a one-time setting.
Understanding the system helps you make more informed choices online. You can reduce your digital footprint, but it never fully disappears. This is why the internet is never truly private.